how you can fix your TikTok creator tools not showing. If you are trying to find your TikTok creator tools but it's not showing or not working, this is how you can fix it. But before we begin, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos like this. Alright, let's get started. First of all, open your TikTok and then go to your profile at the bottom right. Then tap on this hamburger menu at the top right to open your settings and privacy. And if you scroll down until you see your cache and cellular, click on free up space. And from here you can clear cache. Here's 300 MBs of cache, so you can just clear it and restart your app and see if the creator tools is showing or it's working. But if it's still not working, what you can do is go to the settings and privacy once again and then scroll down until you find support and about. From here you can report a problem about your problem. So what you can do is send the TikTok's help and support team a message about your problem. So just tap on this creator tools and go to analytics and tap on this others and tap on need more help. Here you can write a short text. Alright, so you can write a text something like this. I've written here. Creator Tools is not visible on my account. I've tried different things to fix it, but nothing is working. Please assist me with this problem and help me enable the Creators Tools. Thank you. So you can write something similar to this and then submit your report. And after the TikTok's help and support team receives your message, hopefully they will get back to you and you will be able to fix the problem. Alright, that's it for today's video and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.